suspension. See, injuries or suspension just gave us some little break. But I'm telling you, second round, RTU is coming back stronger and stronger and stronger because you see Abagna and other colleagues will be coming back strongly. So just injuries or suspension just gave us some little break. But I'm telling you, second round, RTU is coming back stronger and stronger and stronger because you see Abagna and other colleagues will be coming back strongly. So just hope for a better second round. Yeah.
Different. I think tomorrow we play against the best team of
Okoman Global Sports 17. Amohana Robert Sena the ocean and hotel who pee by no small boy. No, we shall see him Baidoo if he that is Sudan for goalkeeper now, but done 1963 share as down for. The man is because on from Baidoo now on the national team where any club where and the bet. Now on 2 weeks, now boy from them. The boy na di we ni buy no na ben kofi ejina ne mo na obisa ben se o kan Ghana for no na o se na o se goalkeeper na soma anyo obia o ben kofi coach na de ma ben na ben so from am de be ma na ben ji a car about 45 minutes na time was on here co stadium for the finals no na ben kofi ti hu de onye on fa ma no no kon won hye na ye me he ana na mo timi dago enti time so be donation na cap ndi okọ room by okọ na Robert ada ara na munitions asa ndi o timi na go na John P oba kan kire ben kofi ene ben kofi se ben bra John kasi me se na se o fo man na John G na fa Robert me da ba na se ho different na se me se 20 minutes according to John na Robert we are panda na nyoma we free dem hoba na inspirational to begina ho. Could you believe say after the match he was the man of the match?
Ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, are you for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Global Sports, Ejadem. Okoman Global Sports, Ejadem.
All right, Yamo Bibia Kwaba. Fantastic good morning and Komo Bibia. 9th October 2023. Abrevia to your Sinkunia, Akuria Musamaya Sakano. Anonia Bobano, Manania Fisem. And then I pay to the Din Okoman Global Sports. Yamobi Akwaba. And then Komabeni Ababasha. Okoman announced over the weekend. Matches outdoor to me at Toja. Okopiemo, the Spanish La Liga. The English Premier League. The German Bundesliga. The Italian Serie A. And also stories outdoor. Etinyu Wamanane. Yadininia Diaba. Boss player Keba France. Not the room Aquamanane, Neonia Cornia Pawanamo. Yepa, Yebesia Bafo, nearby Yefisam Yaba Din Como, away with you. Natain Abu Badi Fia Fisamo. But a Ghana Premier League match day 4. Over the weekend, I saw Dano Fiata. Matches outward to me at Toja. Teams like a Sin Bebrete Toy, Bimoso draw. Supporters out to a buafu. Aya coaches out to Edra across Post Stadium, Penny Basha. House of Folk supporters in Edra. Also, Penny Dini Martin Koopman. Woman take a car, Benfonina Kasa. Supporters in say, and likely so met me as Tommy. Eya pobi mai tie poma me House of Folk supporters ni buofu Nini say results outdoor team no eshano enya no na ukopiema coach Martin Koopman House of Folk supporters no Nini say watch out for preseason matches all run boya. I'm shot 6. I'm shot 4. I'm shot 11. I'm shot 10. But then Koya, yeah, but a Ghana Premier League after match day 4. House of Folk, I was just 4 points. Wabo Drobako, Elu Sumieno, Every Bako. We're winning up, and just one goal pen wash. Supporters in Akasa, everybody may come on to didn't come on. You didn't pay the fraud to be didn't come on. Now, and after the game, Martin Koopman and make it comment me about the strikers. Comment in it, sir. I say, House of Folk team number 1 currently only striker. Here, their coach in the Kaya. I say currently only striker. And now supporters in say now only striker. Kashina Ramos Waneta. Preseason Osher goes out to the mouth. And also 3 points at Danwata. We know across Post Stadium. No player no nenya go to the mouth. And it's only only striker. And the rich man say Kashina Ramos Wanet. And on your striker. Yami Altumanda 4 p.m. Our cross Post Stadium. Accra Lions South Ramfie and Akropong-Akuapem Santera Kodiarin Tamso. Sendenda ke boda Ghana Premier League. Nanke aboli Gneri dende ya. Eka kotokobeko relegation. Mese nanke abo Ghana Premier League Gneri dende sunia. Eka kotokobeko relegation. But ye moria ya. Eno mchina kono. Tenebe PM of Maba. 4 p.m. Brebema Yene penny forward to our one more at that team. No, ever to come on. Near team come on near corner near bar. Sonia very park. Catronia and song Catronia. That's a flight number 97.1. Yamen Chari and you two. Flight net two. From a Akropong-Akuapem. Ewa manane. You want to flight to be. No flight no Koko to Tower. Wasobayashi. Timria solid. My able producer, our brand 17, Eric K. Brown, and I said to be the come out. One very fantastic gentleman. Papa. Akasa kekele keno ye no beja na boaro. Ato boedjuma. Uyi kekele keni fiwa. Kebra boedjuma pa. Arwa sise chumeri ni kama. Eke boss player ba Francis. Ori ba kwa manane. Na woni yako eso ewa manane. DJ Sigibi. Anata Jean Chapa. Anusuko piemu ewa aituwa opojuma eya bronze the team edi DJ wada bojuma peti wadwato DJ Tonsi Marke Sobwa Bella Esta Kikiskoki Yame Chadia Kedi amponya kubo toto bonso boso ni asasiase and all time you put to pro churches flash Baidoo kama na hoya pa papa na pewenya koko kakra no boapa yadamia yamia dum hoto kama ba na that dress yadamia debate man no thing hey yadamia so boa kama the boy the finest now Akuffo Korea Jamai Mr. Kidiona I want to go to say Keshota Frija in the morning show in the buy Kesi upon come the general manager Mr. Kweku Boateng I was having a writer commentator Baidoo Solomon Fosu TWC for short one monitor show from afar and I pay my good morning we are brutal Akosio answer mami chiao Mondays the onse dan fed man yeshisa mami chiao workers no bra wake up ko surprise ko bi ba pam say eh na graphy mami chiao gift to your brother nim say enne no mini pa na wo ho ana say dem nim ebe obi na be wo Jobi mami chiao obi ye brute no obi an na ye isi an di komo 12 nko 12 enyo no wo oh okay indi aye yaza indi obi ye yaza ye ya mabna mami zumi tia mabna ye brute nana lena and also here went me am ye brute pop and this was it wasn't one I'm having an about Junior ya okay. And take Kenya Thrase, or the Ababa Comane. Now in your corner, I'm just so live for Okoman Radio 97.1. And take Kenya Thrase, or the Ababa Comane, now we Huniako. And in your eba. Some nights I stay up, cashing
So come out, Dono. Yet to me, the Ninyan and so that the apart dinner still remains. Calvin and Pontetti, call me a kid, a post player. Ye Wuramu, nan somehow. Yes, yet to the Ninyan. And so that bro, Jumedi is my main sir. I don't pay Jumeko, see I say, yeah, Cornelia man and Common, Eddie Banum, and so that Bell Ice drinks, and Mukraima, and I don't pay it in common, and so bro, Jumedi and so yeah, what and all your party be a year being our year now, your drinks and a dear Manonsono, and your Bell Ice drinks, and I make come for Eddie your orange flavor, pineapple, and lemon, Ninja man, San Cabinania man. And so I'm concanting most Bano, Monson Famra, and Fambranti, and also no, Palace drinks and a whiskey cola, sounds and a vodka mix, and Ninjan Sonum Benyabi, and so actor now Nominania Conkai, and so at me Eddie Mouse, sounds sooner Bella Consio, and also Bobo, Nania Mansono, and Conkai. And so no Emfa Emma Safari Valley Eco Park. Beka area chance of body and sano. Ube experience in any my come area my banner luxury. Safari Valley Eco Park and so restaurant Audono. And so no baby abeta. And when you never come kind of out there no Safari Valley Eco Park Oba. Nes no I hiking Audono bet me experience be and no mau dobe ube banner pon court and to the Japanese zebras antelopes yes. Ninja Safari Valley Eco Park. And also no nature se branabe experience be restaurant or hobe di dinner banoma ninyina no Safari Valley Eco Park bowramo also no so na so brana betu any free was 0596 914 394 0596 914 394 and also Urama Safari Valley Resort.com also on some kind Safari Valley Eco Park also bringing you closer to nature mo ne kremwa ya konia dia mananen komo and so no to me idea bro piwak idea pa or say a 3p garlic mixture 3p garlic mixture napa ya nunumbi na fence no diabetes ayi dey free what am I a boost your immune system no high blood pressure no and also be regulating na na konkan a man no tie bubumunsa na is out ya yaw esisisu ye na is menstrual pains menstrual disorders no a 3p garlic mixture no na make am for and so na timi dey ma obesity why check why kase and I also sorry na mi kunu hwe me ye masa me dia dia ne pa masa kase na why no emwa esrade anwa na dore ne pedua no onya garlic ne bia 3p no oboba ebe na ne srade ne nyina e dey free ni pedua na free so atwesrade no e dey free body now so why come bobo 3p garlic mixture ne bia asthma stroke ara free so no yeah, and then oh Johnson pasa. Na say 1 minute bia na say Johnson in nemu. Emwa na say ne be boa ne 3p garlic mixture no. Ano na no mam ano so be boa sounds na bloated stomach go funu wa etotwe. Bobopi na finso nyi sadia how no. Emfen from stress ya bre. Nunya nunya ya 3p garlic mixture ne be no ma. Na say ne ma be kon kan area ma 100% garlic. Ani ya chimu so no. Ani ya so ya draw na some vitamins and so na some vitamin T and to my prom amaniama konkan and so to me the amount to 3p garlic mixture bia and so born na niama to akoso na ma bowramu and so na wa chemical bath shops ni nyama on some beka bi wuramu and so na one cran enjoy ba on some beka bi madina so no na so wuramu ya kin so akapa opposite nkule no na se niama so konkan na droy wonya bi so na to me ato pen do to afre aya piwak 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 na 0201 000021 0201 000021 na fenso ne piwak eni nkomana ma onsanka free p garlic mixture Pupopi na fence na warning and so intimembra straight away young woman and farmer and income and fan to jam and so farmer best here at a free top flight major European leagues no more over the weekend matches no do not to make also who could PM the French league and I saying a results no Esifa Echo Strasbourg 192 Metz and so 0 OGC is 1, Reims 1, Monaco 3, Marseille 3, Le Rêve and Sono 0, Brest 1, Toulouse and Sono 1, Bobo Canadian Lyon 3, Laurent and Sono 3, Next Niama Pia Ebo Go Lens 1. Lille Metropole 1, Rennes 1, Paris Saint-Germain sono 3. Uko Pioma League table ni Senate Monaco Erin Kan and sono 17 points. Mienuno Nice ono so 16 points. PSG Atosmi se 15 and 9 Start Brest ono so 15 points. Asia wano Senate League table no so Lorraine etoso 16 position after 8 matches ne 7 points. Lyon etoso 17 and so 3 points. Anna Clermont etoso 18 position. Also, it make 2 points. Top scorer charter of France. Kylian Mbappe. Also, it has 7 goals. A brand friend Al Tamari. And so Montpellier was 5 goals. A brand Tennessee. And so Akko Adams. And so Bobo for Montpellier. Asha 5 and a Wissam Peneda. El Monaco. And so match 5. And so now the French League. And the Yanko German Bundesliga. Young fair results and fan to jam over the weekend. There's a Nyasem Kuma out Germany. Matches in the Senate Koya Borussia Mönchengladbach 2. Mainz 5-2. Stuttgart and so 3. Wolfsburg 1. Augsburg 1. Darmstadt 2. Samson RB Leipzig 0. Bochum 0, Dortmund 4, Union Berlin 2, Werder Bremen 2, TSG Fiam 3, Baidoo Leverkusen 3, FC Cologne 0, Bayern Munich 3, Freiburg 0, Shannon Sufami Mr. Brante Kingsley Coman, Ebo 2 goals, and offensive Leroy Sunny, Adibakwe Kan, Eintracht Frankfurt 2, Heidem 0, another matches and also no Etimia cost league table on the Senate Leverkusen after 7 matches and Suneka 19 points, Stuttgart Tosimiano, Okra 18 points, Samsung. Bayern Munich Tosimian Sekra 17 points and Dortmund and 9 Ekra 17 Asia Senate here 16 position Bochum 4 points after 7 matches. Mainz 5 Tosso 17 position. Ekra 2 points and FC Cologne Tosso 18 position. And also Ekra 1 point. Top scorer Chateau Germany. Branton D and so Seglu Aye Jurassic. And also no Bobo from Stuttgart was 13 goals. Hey. After 17 matches, and after 7 matches, Branton has 13 goals. And so now, Harry Kane, Bayern Munich was 8 goals. Victor Boniface, El Leverkusen was 7. And Amanfo, so Abantia Yefeno, Jonas Wind, and so now Wolfsburg was 7 goals. And so now, our German Bundesliga animo menko piemo Italian Serie A matches tochano and also no say nesifa nyansona koye Bobo Kwefon Empoli 0 Udinese 0 Lecce 1 Sassuolo 1 Inter Milan 2 Bologna 2 Juventus 2 Torino 0 Genoa 0 AC Milan Ensono 1 Monza 3 Salernitana 0 Lazio 3 Atalanta 2 Cagliari 1 Pobo Canadian AS Roma 4, Abrante friend Lukaku, Etimebo 2 goals, Andrea Belotti, Ansonapo go, our Frosinone 2, Verona 1, Napoli 1, Fiorentina 3. That's a Napoli Tifie and Sunetime Dincho. League table on the Senate after 8 matches. Our Italian Serie A no AC Milan Equa 21 points. Samsung Inter Milan Tosmi Equa 19. Juventus Tosmi and Sam Equa 17. Fiorentina 9 Equa 17. The numero and Napoli also Equa 14 points. Asia Wawa Italian Serie A numero. Senate Empoli 18 position Equa 4 points. Salernitana 19 position, Ekra 3 points, and a 20th position. Cagliari also now 2 points. Top scorer chart. Lautaro Martinez in Milan was at 10 goals. Victor Osimhen El Napoli was at 6. Abranten Edin Anthony Peretti El Sassuolo was at 5. Now Finson Nico Gonzalez SL Fiorentina was at 5. Lukaku El Roma also at 5. And so now, Italian Serie A, Spanish Premier, La Liga Santander, Manchester Toja, weekend, and so any Bobo Quantity, and so now Athletic Club about 3, Almeria 0, Cadiz 0, Girona 1, Real Madrid 4, Osasuna 0, Brantier friend Jude Bellingham, able 2 goals, our game number Sansona Vinicius Jr., and Afonso Josolo, Adibakwe so Real Mallorca 1, Valencia 1, Seville 2, Rayo Vallecano 2, Villarreal 1, Las Palmas 2, Atletico Madrid 2, Real Sociedad 1, Alaves 1, Betis 1, Celta Vigo 2, Sansona Getafe 2, Mason Greenwood up goal, and myself Getafe Bobo Con Granada 2, Barcelona 2 Jama Branton din enso ne Jamal alase wonya Jamal Lamine Yamal Ebogo ana afin so no Sergio Roberto enso Bogo Madema Barca League table Spain Real Madrid after 9 matches equal 24 points Girona tosumi no about 9 matches equal 22 Barca miensam equal 21 SSA difference 3 no Madrid ho ana yebeje di ahye mwe na nya din bia Atletico Madrid 9 enso no equal 19 points ana numero FC Bilbao no equal 17 points Asia 18 position El Celta Vigo equal 6 points Granada 19 position equal 6 ana Funsona Almeria at also 20th position Okra 3 points league cooking chart no Jude Bellingham El Madrid was 8 goals Lewandowski El Barca was 5 Oyosulu El Madrid was 5 na Funsona Kubo El Real Sociedad and also no team has 5 goals and so no mewo and then Manchester betima toja anom ebrepem mere betuja enso na de ma yanko piemo awa the Italian and asa English Premiership no Manchester weekend ya course no na say enyize kra senatie Bobo Kra fan aye Luton Town 0 Tottenham Hotspur 1 Manchester United 2 Brentford 1 Scott McTominay and about 2 goals so na de ma Manchester United Fulham 3 Sheffield United 1 Everton 3 Bournemouth Anthony 0 Burnley 1 Chelsea Ansono 4 Abrantia your friend Cole Palmer Ebogo Nicholas Jackson Raheem Sterling Omunyatumi Bupo Kosinibi Adema Chelsea Crystal Palace 0 Nottingham Forest 0 Wolves 1 Aston Villa 1 Brighton and Hove Albion 2 Liverpool 2 Mohamed Salah 2 goals no Adema Liverpool West Ham United 2 Newcastle 2 Kudus Mohamed Ebogo Adema West Ham Arsenal 1 Man City Ansono 0 Gabriel Martinelli and then winner Adema Arsenal Bobocon League table now England no Tottenham after 8 matches equal 20 points Arsenal tosumi no and also equal 20 points Man City toso miensam equal 18 points and after Liverpool 9 equal 17 and numero Aston Villa equal 16 and after so no in Brighton equal 16 and so West Ham equal 14 Newcastle watch equal 13 Crystal Palace and Crown equal 12 points and they do no Manchester United equal 12 points Dubako Chelsea 11 points Fulham atoso do mienu equal 11 points and Nottingham Forest edu miensa equal 9 points edu 9 and so Wolves equal 8 and they do no Brentford equal 7 points 16 position Everton equal 7 points Luton Town 17 position equal 4 points 18 position Burnley equal 4 19 Bournemouth equal 3 na Sheffield United equal 1 point on also 20th position top scorer chart no Ellen Bon Haaland Man City was 8 goals Alexander Isak and so Newcastle was 6 Son Win-Min Tottenham Asher 6 and Mo Salah Liverpool and also no etimi Asher 5 and so no ewo mu ancha me de amanen nkoma no and so no be si ma me nwura mu and so no na ye nkoma wodo mu say na nkoma no so esifate wura mu and so no Savio akachi a onu say mu coach no report na ba say Savio so no etima pomo head coach no and so no ade fi Savio Boboko no and so mu ti disconnect na ye nkwanim na ye fa reactions no and fanto aso and so no enfama and so no awoye amanen nkoma no na say news na ba nyina no ya de nyina enso no betimi ade atujwa enso no atimi ade ama na wura mu enso no the English Premiership no ma na se coaches na awodo na enso atimi ne nkoma awodo no enso atimi ade chayen enso ono ma enso no nya sem koma wura mu enso ade a Manchester United akache a Brighton team enso de Bruno Fernandes atimi akasa but after that no and before that no the coach my friend Eric Ten Hag and so no that made come kakra and so the jai after some Manchester United and so to match and you know Bobo Kra ni at Brentford and sent by 2 goals to 1 Eric Ten Hag in common here.
Very proud of that after all the setbacks we have, that is not easy for a team to deal with the dressing room, but then you see that the dressing room is connected and they will fight for each other, but we have to do it always. And we really make that as an issue after last defeat against Galatasaray, where we let us each other down on certain occasions, and it can't be. And when you play a game, you have to be for 95 or 100 minutes in a game.
ɛnti winning nkɔmɔ Eric Ten Hag on a Manchester United manager and so etumi de two twa no we na man of the match and so etumi akɔre Scott McTominay ono every bench ebemu 87th minute na sa Branton be ball brace no and the 90th and 93rd minute enya winner no na Manchester United Scott McTominay and so nkɔmɔ kakra edijai.
Yeah, that was. I can't put into words the feeling that I had when the second one went in. That was like, it was an out of body experience, really, to be fair. And it was funny because I was watching David Beckham's documentary last night, and you see all the history and the people behind the club, and that's what the lads do it for. And that's who it means most to. Kath on reception, the kitmen, from everyone, yourself to the interviewers. It's so important that we all come together, and that's what it means at this football club. That we do it for the people, and the people who've been coming to this football club for many years, and that's same as me. I'm a fan, so I want us to do well.
Winning comma Scott McTominay on also 22 after so Bob Brace and so the Manchester United on also in where the Abasan Niache Senior Conca so the man Branton a captain at Manchester United Bruno Fernandes the Portuguese international on also in come away Edijai.
Happiness and obviously I think we all agree that we deserve this result because during the 90 minutes I think we controlled the game really well. We could have scored in the first half, we didn't, and obviously we know that we are in a moment when we don't score, we concede a goal, and after is always going to go behind the result. But today we get that, we get the 3 points, we get the two goals from Scott at that last minute, and was a really good result for us because we needed to get the 3 points today.
And then in command Bruno Fernandes and so they to jump out Manchester United and so na catching Chelsea Shebiache and then Chelsea Burnley about a Karamakumako 9 Emma Burnley at Mubako Mauricio Pochettino on a manager Mansward and Komakakadi to Jachem Sananiache victory na bomb Nerema Chelsea and it Chelsea so at me winning.
Mauricio, well done. It gives an assessment of what was a terrific performance and great result.
Very pleased. Even we conceded the first, but I think the team always was composure and solid. And then second half, I think we dominate, and then the result was really fair. And so pleased for the player, and they deserve all the credit. Massive effort, and so happy. 3 points that help us to build our belief and confidence.
First time this season in the Premier League, we've come from behind to win a game. I guess you learn a lot about your players in that kind of situation.
It's important to feel all the direction on the game. I think it was good to show good character and great character. And again, a team that played well, and it's difficult always to break down. But I think the team deserve the credit. All the players today were fantastic. That is why we are so pleased.
And then come on Mauricio Pochettino, head coach of Chelsea, and so the two Raheem Sterling, the reggae man, Rasta man Sterling, and so na two nanum two Seko Jakanaman Kabia ya, and also your Kakra and the Chelsea fans.
And how important for you as well, obviously off the bench on Monday, back in from the start today, just to get into that rhythm and produce the output that you did.
Yeah, as I said, that's all I try to do, is try to contribute to the team, and being in a familiar role, it's a position I enjoy a lot more goal threatening on this side, so I was happy day.
Even in your long and storied career, there can't be many times where a team scored 4 goals and you've been involved in all 4 of them. Do you kind of sometimes think, this is going to be my day today?
There's been a few, but today it was good, as I said, as a collective, because I think the most important thing is there's been a few times that we've gone behind, and we start the game well, and then the game's kind of gone to pieces. But today we didn't let that happen. We didn't force things, and that shows a sign of maturity and a step in the right direction.
All right, into the Raheem Sterling. No, so you be kakra the Ferman side Rasta man Sterling, and so Adiano na Arsenal and rather Kwani Kocha Emirates. Yeah. Arsenal 4, and na Samba, solo kui, and no more game, no, solo kupa, muchi, and say, Ateta, what's a Man City, you have a kakra.
Well, that was a huge moment, a huge win. Just tell us your emotions, what you're feeling, how happy you are right now.
Well, it feels like a big one because it's been a while, it's been so many years without beating them, and we have beat the best team in the world today by far, in my opinion, and we've done it with a huge performance. Going through some difficult moments in the game, but at the end, living again an incredible experience with our people here.
and Koma and Eno, Mikel Arteta, and so to Mary Chai after such a Man City. You say Pep Guardiola and Amrantana Pio Macabako, Amansono and Timiantina, David Urea, and Eno Arsenal goalkeeper no that post anymore, make it clean sheet. And also, Ejanenum.
Moment though when Gabri hit the winner at the end, just describe what it was like in here inside the Emirates.
It was something incredible, and I feel a lot of relief as well that we were winning every single duel, and we were creating chances. We were threatening them, and so that ball seeing the hit in the back of the net was amazing, and fair play to the players, to the club, to the staff that we got on top today.
And to win David Urea, ono a goalkeeper, and so to me and my Arsenal, and also to me the two and so to my black bone to net in my high. Oh, Urea can you go in Tiwaho? That's an ja, and then come on, and so I don't know West Ham, and so in Newcastle the point in 90 minutes and 2-2. Kudus Mohamed, the star boy, man, Kudus. And it says I can go no equalizer no, and so your points no, and my West Ham star boy. And so your big cry is yes, I'm the star boy. Actually, sir. Into Kudus.
Your first Premier League goal in such dramatic circumstances. How did it feel to score the equaliser today?
Feels very good, of course, but most importantly, it's made a difference in the team, which was us getting a point. So even though we wanted the 3 points, I was happy to score my first goal, and most importantly, we got a point out of it.
It was a lovely strike too. What was going through your head when the ball came in from Vlad to you on the edge of the box?
I mean, at that moment in the game, I felt good about it, and yeah, I just went for it.
And great celebrations with the crowd, great atmosphere when that goal went in.
Yeah, amazing fans. Even when we was down 2-1 and I was on the bench, you can still feel the support and the energy from the fans. And yeah, thanks for them for that. And I think it uplifted the players' energy a lot. So it was great atmosphere today, and yeah, everyone gave their best. So we take the point and we learn from it.
And even better.
And then come on in, star boy, Kudus Mohamed, and so the two chap brought to me upon the first EPL goal, and so to me my West Ham no, a Branton Tires I say, and ja, no, and the reggae dancehall artist, yes, Stone Boy, Bim, and not Dana said, Stone Boy said Tim, I remember that no, there's a Stone Boy Tim or London, Eko share, Kudus Mohamed, also no, Kudus any papa and young corner down for pa, and it's a Kudus up bar. And you do better Martin Stone Boy, Bim Nation President, and so the way the guy.
What's up, everybody? You know, I go by the name Stone Boy, yeah, from Ghana. Kudus Mohamed, favorite artist, right here at the stadium. You don't know, London Stadium. It's West Ham against Newcastle. My boy is gonna do 2 goals, you know, for the love. You don't know, I predict 3-1 against Newcastle. So check it out. We outside. They don't know, Stone Boy. Beep.
Bim, na Stone Boy no, Bimza, no the Gojina Musa, Anna Kudus, as your Kobo, Bim go, and my Stone Boy, and then come on, Stone Boy, son, it's very Jaya, Brana, Kevin on Baba Shassi, and say, my baby, Kudus, Bishop 2, and Pat Kudus, 1. That's so much in my Fanam, Muntem, 14 minutes when I Kudus, boy. Now, David Moyes, and Mentias you, Menti David Moyes, as here, I go as a school, you know, or you don't know why on Tias here. And see, Kudus and Memutem, I will say 1, but still my predicted, so we say 2. Ningan come for no, when you go, and so to Bim Nation President, Stone Boy, boy, I don't know, Num 2, yes, reggae dancehall artist, the whole Ghana, the whole Africa, Num 2, banner dance on it there, Ubia boy, on I don't know, and see, and Ozai, I don't know, I'm Stone Boy, I know you're there, maybe I know have a penny, you know, Rango no. And people did no, and people did no, and none kume. Oh, Stone Boy, dear, onimyum to. It's Stone Boy, and so I know me, Yaman, and I'm the Abema Mammy. Why? There's empty, I want to come. Yeah, dear, see, I mean, call some Monkey books and stationery. Upe books and atwa. Come Monkey, could I be a one will be a quacoto books on what is here? A banner of textbooks, Samsung pencils, erasers, calculators, A4 sheets, notebooks, exercise books, and Academy edition. They say come Monkey books and stationaries. How for no mo bi anya mo bazawala mo nko na mo nkoto books no mfemfiro na mo nke ye promo oba na beto ade a auto books na ye chawade itumi ma branded t-shirt, caps, pants, school bags ni nyina nso no yetumi che obi awa ye mo nke enso na so ye sa promo yi 30th of November and then so be ko na wi ntima na moto na ko mo nke books and stationery na koto books no mfemfiro ye kira kwan ye we Akropong-Akuapem tie Akropong-Akuapem old court no I want to pay and I cancel one pay and I'm on care books and stationery yes no your friend 0551 829 365 0551 829 365 and at 0550 609 656 0550 609 656 and I need to 0207 225-048 0207-225-048. Now to the Monkey Books and Stationery any and come Ace.Ventures sebra blocks no but for free na so do be up on some beka say hollow blocks 6 inches and 5 inches on sabeka solid blocks no 5 inches 6 inches then you know benyam edefi Ace.Ventures and so what blocks na we no ehunya sabeto cement gas cement no o sebra and so no some beka edefi Ace.Ventures ano so na so ye per blocks no dodoa oba onsa ebeka bana usika nso kura na ebema na de akọ na afin so tua nkaka unya no bia agi Ace.Ventures the blocks no ana Amanfo enso de ama yo Akropong-Akuapem datin ye homieta guest house in junction no so pe ansara wadu clinic no ho NNA Ace.Ventures enso na wanya blocks nko ba na prepaid a yenso ye dimu adwuma mo so ade abasa maza ban prepaid yeso ne dimu juma entena no ba prepaid nso no yebetom nso no atumi ade ama fi adwara Akropong kwasi da yetom prepaid me se prepaid joint bi aminim ukọ kwasi da unya ukọ kwasi da memeda unya adan a na me somo nti enye kuro ni krom yenya ne sa aba yebeto prepaid se osomo nti on don prepaid yate ye from adwara Akropong kwasi da no pa no nso Akropong anwume no wotwe yanso yetom prepaid oba musabeka oba kura na na se wa meto ya kura na anwume na ya pon no kura ofie kura na ofra yanso a prepaid yebeto enso no atimi ere amao friend I say 0534 987122 0534 987122 na prepaid no to your blocks no so friend ewo ye 0544 364 354 0544 364 354 now so ni Ace.Ventures enso no in the end come on na koda no suku no man hia o tie o ho na just about time wa foforo adwuma sem entin unya baby abeja koda yi anase baby ade akoda yi kura beko na wako adwuma tie akoda no suku no so man hia o school die baby abesha ase no e wa na be kire baby ni abeyo dachi o maza entin ma men kanfo Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori as uti Montessori penal say suku Montessori me call day spring Montessori kakra e dan so man it's uti Montessori pe there's a review you got my intino I don't know Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori make can find amount a banum and korano 4 months old babies na mo form mra e beji omo ahwe omo kama ya hwe didi mu omo ndemu akwara 4 years 4 months they no besia or for sa na beka but e ba akwara ni nyi ne kasa ani ade nyina no kaka no Brainy Eagles Nest no ye kire no don so obedi be afe no na esana no at kama pa na adesua no so no atuma konitim Samson a crutch atu basic 6 no enso wo ho nta akwara no fa ne bra no so mesua ne Samson a toddlers no what do ba ano so betimi aboa ama adesua no ma de che no enso no atimi akoso and then no Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori yanso no yan oba environment na ye ho e kama pa ne akwara ne bedi agro se ne manije no ebetuma konkan dia mom no ya yeni nyina enso no ewa ya so enti we no child education for that's ahweman ya my konkan enso no Brainy Eagles Nest ama bibia ay kama professional teachers ani yekura oba teacher for no ene obesere ene nkoda idi agro omo choma de enye school bia menim enye Montessori ba school bia menim koda school bi akwara no de dia no de beko obebani ya twutwubo ni mu kama ya wurubo ni kama so wo fo no se obeyo mpaduane unu so be mpadu ya ne 4 months baby dey dey no dia ne yinyina wa kone teachers ya chuchuzu bo chuchu boy kama pem ya ba Tija for na di nkora na aduane ne nyina but Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori de yente sakora de baby kisho say aduane ye de best na no akroko na ma na di ne nyina say na be ono so betimi anyim aye from inti bra yenso no yaso ye ho ye kira kwan awo ye Akropong-Akuapem MC residence no ope ana yeso ye wo inti ne odi Akropong na so pe MC na jesu baby otena na se ncha ope ana ne Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori enso no ewo frey ewo 0501 622 513 0501 622 513 and 0501 622 510 0501 622 510 and 0501 622 512 0501 622 512 na fin so no onso ni Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori enso ne din komo bana baso body ya yaji bebre na no da yetumi boy abaso say Akuapem North Municipality 2023 inter KG Jolly Phonics competition abaso body ya ba ko ne di mu sa no entino we no inter KG Jolly Phonics competition no Akuapem North dia no Brainy Eagles Nest Montessori and ya say niama so no kon kan papa enso no ewa say entino wada me ye yi bia ma na ma ye prekona ma soro so enza ano no ndime soro so ano nti ma ye yi ama na ye yi antino Brainy Eagles Nest or say we are eagles, we belong to the sky. Let's say when you belong to the sky, so I say the sky is your limit. Let's say and also I don't know. Now aduane de food is good. Aduane de baby abe didin so kan ho. Enye baby akeke. Na no say za no wa ayi bra na no pe me ka kire ho. Say mu bia wo ayi. Engine nim fra no zo me ko nim. Oh, nipa boka. Hey, ska go top. Saturday no suba mbedu ya na say oh. A comedy menu na me ya na me suma ngoda ezo. Oh, go to a movie buyer. Engine nim. Now see my boka gu. And I'm say okay. Sunday I dey me tutu manamo na me nko chill out. Na me do chill out and sampa. My son ding. Chill out o ha na me didi. Then I'm got to a more groom. It's a nay about fried rice chicken. Jollof rice. Sounds like plain rice with gravy. Sounds like plain rice with a vegetable stew. Ubenya a free chill out eatery and pub. Now near me about Lisa ope. Na Akuffo no kwa Okoman no kwa sora. Me to the man na akoma eto ne yem no assorted fried rice no. And ope. Ene ebuva be. Me nto ye dia da so ntene esem sorted Lisa na bia kama. Sounds like about French fries. Yawo with chicken banku and tilapia banku ni nkruma for opa banku and tilapia light soup and as a good super ni nya benya fufuo and so obi emutuo ni nkatenkwan ni nya benya e free chill out eatery and pub ntia duane ne ko na kodi efefiro bayere ne body ampesie ni nya nso no benya e free chill out eatery and pub e ba na pizza spring roll shawarma club sandwich and drinks awodo na and so benya enso no etumi e free chill out eatery and pub yeah make your order e be deliver enso no etumi dia ma so ye party bi ton safa frey na fe be make your order no na so yen emfa ma chill out ye we Akropong-Akuapem new police station no ncha ope Akuffo road one na and I say we do old council one ma fa obenkum so pe won say chill out enso ho frey 0554 039 939 0554 039 939 and 0534 989 227 0534 989 227. Now so ne chill out eatery and pub and so ne Okoman pay. I mean chill out my phone na and so no ewo ho. Wada yanko na obviously pe kwan ti no manyen sa emfa wada me pe kwan yo ti manyen sa emfa arafai anasene happy birthday enko once one fan to so waso be shi we catch it all so one fan to serve you waso ye be shi ko me pe kwan okay happy birthday enko emfama Alberta edu ene your birthday immigration officer Akuapem North ha into Alberta edu happy birthday enko emfama nyame sure ana me sure dia ma ahoɔden ani sika and name is so Mr. Etimedia want now better do happy birthday and so enko emfa ema we if me am ho Kelvin and I may wish you happy birthday. And I feel so down for Austin. And also say, oh, wish you happy birthday. Now, I better do happy birthday and go and farm out. Super, no one fair. I better one fair. Papa, I want my crash a crown or so. And now I better do happy birthday. Anyways, I Jama super. Now super so no to me at was much one and I'm a beam kaka, one beam and yeah, you know. And you may at the sea Katia at the sea Katia, a bicycle so fast one free. It's in Yebenya woman, I no. It's no so no. Akosio Sano. I mean, child, when you had my phone in Wendy, my bana gifty and office Miami baby girl, Nana Len, Nana, and a pain chan come on after or Bapa's cuisine, Madame Mitchell, Mummy's joint, Nama. Also, make your only grace, mom, and you had my phone in Mitchell, and I met ya, Yago, yes, ono mammy, Sister Anita, more Pentecost opposite to a mutation, and Tiago, on Sister Anita, Miss Mitchell. Until no medicine, a beam nation, people day, and I made this in our super and to us.
Tell me where we gonna run go after making our motherland a better place to live. Tell me where we gonna run go when them say we have to pay for the oxygen we breathe. Answer me now, Mr. Big Man. You know this everybody want to go and go off for it. A simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Simple life. It's all we want to live. Give me food, give me clothes, give me love and give me shelter. Yeah, wouldn't you hear me please? This is when you sang me, I sing from the deep.
Eddie, super now this also Eddie a year Amananism Eddie Abano. Hey, a cruma we a birthday na crashing. Amanfo crash Amanfo so is you be birthday be a crash. Be a crash. Indeed, I don't know come out Krebusia, never ba super. Onya wie ya kwaba. Onya wie birthday no car crash na ebusia. Kwabanti yafa look at it better no efantiaso.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day a ration more. They say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day a ration more.
Since the days of Baba Yara,
Okoman Global Sports,
Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again.
Young Shan, come on, I say now, young fellow cut with it. Better if I'm running, you who near call, and then ever if you are the Azar, Obia, you know, David. Hey, awesome. And the answers here for free over the weekend. Ukopiem, our Division 1 are saying our results no AC Etia award more. A Division 1, Zone 1A, saying AC Etia, Ayaman FC, Tramfie, Etia, War Power FC, a bonnet communua. One also 8 me team back Sasso and a Victory Club Air Warriors and a Northern City FC. Game no Echo 0-0. One Sunta Sporting Club Etifie Echi Air Tamale City FC. Ebon Ekanba Kwan went to me in Simada Braka. Bo Quantity at the Air Techimai, Air Heroes F Atenafie, and Stefan FC during Tamsua. one more H. Stefan Bonne Kanumba Kwa, went to me in Sinad Braka, Yanko PM our Division 1. Zone 1B, saying a results no ACAT one more Bo Quanity Eddie Young Apostle, Ethna Fear and the Mighty Royals Edwin Tamsua, one no Ebone Kanbakwa, went to me AC Madabraka, Thechiman Liberty Youth Ethna Fear, and DBB United win Tamsua, game no Equia 1-1, BA United, and Brecum City FC, BA United, Brecum City Academy Noir, one more to me AC Madabraka, Nyamia Dumande, Balfour Soccer Academy. Everthanafi and 11 wonders Eddie Arentam so ye feel more yanko piemo zone 2 saying a results no ACT Jean Red Bull FC Ethanafi Eton Sadifre New Edibiasu United game no Equay 2-2 Rose Park FC Thanafi and Sky FC the Rentam so one more Sky Kabakwa one more to me in Simona Braka Soccer Interlateral and a Future Stars game no 2-2 Sodra Blacks Ethanafi and Elmina Shas Ekobone Kanubakwa went to me in Simona Braka Park Academy Ethanafi and Inzma Korokore when Tamsua one more elbow more Kamianua one more so to me in Simona Braka Ebusiandra of Ethanafi and it's she all started when Tamsua one more elbow more Kabakwa one more so to me in Adabraka a second FC Thanafi and a yabo quantity at the Holy Stars during Tamsua Holy Stars 8 really that game no by a long go to know now Oko PM I zone 3 saying a resource no ACT a bo quantity no Koi United Ethanafi Etonsa at the face in Pem AFC FC during Tamso game no Equa 0-0 Salsuna Golden Kicks FC and then a God FC during Tamso game no Equa 1-1 Home Stars FC Thanafi and Hawaii United game no Equa 1-1 at 1-0 yes bo quantity at the Home Stars Eke Eshe Kanaba Kwa Wamso 8 minutes in Marabraka and K2 and a Atom Divisa game no Equa 0-0 Salso and Alco Piema as Susubi FC Ethna Fiaton Sa and the Freco to Koreals, Eboma Kabakwa, one more so 8 minutes in Marabraka, still believes Ethna Fie and a Kings a Palace FC, Erwin Tamsua given no Equa 2-2, FC Nania Ethna Fie and Accra Athletic in Tamsua, game no Equa 0-0, Salsuna Catchy Stars Ethna Fie, Eton Sadifre Vision FC, Vision Ebon Academy Noir, one also 8 minutes in Bakuntuay, a Division 1 over the weekend, Oko Piema resource Aldua Eto Jano. And I had the common on Eddie Amazon at TF4 now Oko Piemum our women's a year the Super Cup downwater 8 minutes toja our Chebi a year park na and right and at the grand finale 8 minutes toja Hazakes ladies and a year ama Oko Piema a year Army ladies at in time so Ami etimi Eshe a year Zakes Academy Noir one so 8 minutes team back when Oko Piemum out of 2023 women's a year Super Cup and Penfosham Biaso Timia Kon Kansua Ami etumi ajijumedi no ede esini naso na born din etimu Krama Abdullahi waro ede etumi aje top scorer when command credible say yes obedo biase mo supporting but no mo hwese Kazakes ebetumi bia possible we ene command kra Mukrama Abdullahi ede ejaye
family. Hello do family, I won top scorer award and I just want to say we are so sorry for not giving you guys the cup as we promised. We can't wait for the season to begin. Do
and the way Anna Kumakra Barney Dean Ede Ayam Mukrama Abdullahi what the Abba Zedi Emma Zedentier for and Ra Oko Piemo our Guinea Bissau the Black Princesses of Ghana Etumako Piemo one more any Guinea Bissau Manom Eddie in Tam so out of 2024 June 20 Women's a year World Cup qualification match Niame Chadia Ghana etimi Echomo Bomo Kamiansa Womo so etimi Simada Braka Abone Dean Eddie a year success etimi Eshe first goal Mary and Ponsen also Mercy a year to Brantway any girls are one more 8 minutes goal and the Black Air Princesses after the game yes captain Abone Dean Eddie a year Afi Eden Kumakeba say yes I should give number and a game and one thing but Obesra essay one more second gamer and I said a return leaguer one more in terms to support us in Embra Oputom Kakra Oputom Ya Yebeshi Yegum.
Hello Ghana, hello everyone. Thank you for your support and prayers. As you can see, we've won by 3-0 and the return leg will be
Dabi. We know I send a voice article. Yenti. Okay.
Hello everyone. Thank you for your support and prayers. As you can see, we've won by 3-0 and the return leg will be in Ghana at the Accra Sports Stadium on Saturday, and we need your prayers and your support. You also come with your massive numbers and support us for the win. Thank you.
And the way Anne Komaka, the captain, Edma, a Black Princesses, Abawani Day, a Afi Ameya, Wadia Bar. Yes, Afi Ame Jaku, yes, Afi Ame Yaku, Grofi, Mofediam, Tutum, I didn't know the Basana, Yana, Yaswesa. Nandra, Okopia, Ghana Premier League, I say, and a resource out to them, Esia Koya, and a Dano Fiana Sasia, Diana Satanafie, and a Brekum Chelsea, the Wintam, so one must say Brekum Chelsea, and Kanabakwa, one more intimation at Braka, Bechem Night at Atanafie, Mediama, Sporting Club, Saturday, Equachibon, Academy Noir. One also 8 million team bako and saying at the Ghana Premier League results no ACT baby any Gold Stars Ethna Dance Park Elton Side Fred out here upon Academy and Sa one also 8 million and 7 at Braka Panto out of Flyers Ethna Fie and it's Sanobo for quarter in time so game no echo 0-0 Nations FC Ethna Fie and in Lagos City game no 1-1 Carolina 90 Ethna Fie and a Great Olympics Oli Gbogbo Oli Masi Oli Juleju Oli Rosalinda Erwin Tam so a game no equal 0-0. South Sudan Shatmathran Fie at Samates Ebone Kanba Kwa went to me in some of the Braka. Glorious across of Athena Fie and a Dreams FC. Erwin Tam so game no equal 0-0. After the game, Yanni paid forward to Eddie Como and assistant coach Edma Ayer Dreams FC. Opinion day at the Ayer Domo. Yet Domo didn't come on as a Domo. And I gave no one saying, Orbatuja SAS. Game me a gamer, not an order, but all the same no. One more Amy Kishio said, Dama Biano, say one more Ansha, one more Mahasu folk, and some Yelty Commander, the assistant coach at my Dreams FC. Yes, Renfred Domon, what do you have to Sandra? One more airboard draw.
It's a very, very, very good game. A KG game, very, very competitive, so to speak. I think the first 45 minutes was fairly balanced. But the second half, we took control. We controlled the intensity. We created some pocket of chances. But the last boss in the final third was a big problematic. And that is why we finished on a 0-0. Disappointed in the fact that we couldn't score. But I think we defended very well without the ball. We kept a very compact shape. We closed the spaces. We denied them those penetration. And an excellent defensive work, but not a too good performance in the final third.
And the way Anan Komaka, the assistant coach at my Dreams FC, opinion at the area Renfred Tomodia Bar, Yediamas in the tier for a semi-sun say, a Bronson a teeny edge and him water, as seems like a Bronson April Koba and Enche, but Osha chances beyond Royan and Kanya Krano, and cause you to me and 2 goals at my Dreams FC.
Absolutely, and players like AJD are also returning from injury, and that's why we were managing him. But I think it is something that we have to go back to the training ground and work on it. It is problematic because look, we played 3 games, we've only scored 1, and if it is Adade, who happens to be a right back, has given us that, that goal against Nation. It's not good enough in the last set. But generally, it was a very, very impressive game because we were playing against a House of Folk team that has lost the last 3 games. They've only managed to pick 3 points. So we knew the game would be difficult. That's why we decided to close the spaces when we don't have the ball.
The assistant coach, Erema Dreams FC, opinion a day, Aaron Feldom and Koma Claudia Bar, Yeri Emerson, Etier4, now you're in the pair, and you're the head coach, Erema Glorious across the folk, opinion a day, Adam Martin Coupon, Yanel Dean Commissaire Martin, so far so good. Ube PMO House of Folk, friendly games out to now Bogos with Gum. Friendly games na dukumsa na game ya wabo draw when yaji and as we need Genos. Yes, I'm very, very happy.
And I'm very happy about that because we start on new and the reason is that we want to play football. And I think we'll show the people also and also the technical staff that we can play football. For sure on the midfield. Defending we are very strong. And in finishing, we missed something, and that's the reason that it's a draw. But I'm very proud of my team.
And the way Anan Komaka, the head coach at my House of Folk, Mate Kupma Wadia Bar, Yadi Emas and a tier for now, Sadi Tuja, say yes, currently, Osha of Folk team Nimoa, Omni striker.
Job, we have no striker. I tell you again, we have no striker. Isa is going to abroad, and we have no striker back. So I tell them every time. So yeah, so we missed the striker.
Why did you take off Kasala?
Yeah, do you think Kasala was good? Do you think he was good playing? No, he was not good playing. So then next one is going in. Hamza Isa, young player, a lot of talent also, and he fights. And Hamza Isa is for us the next option. So yeah, that's the reason.
This interview, I'm going to say, Coach, ne tatis nka, ne she nka, ewo game no mu. Tio, ase Kasana Ramos wanet no. Onye striker. David, has Mundio house supporters, Mundio say, onye striker bia. Or after the game, into supporters in Komo Accra, one way DJ, Iriani Aba coach in the Sozo.
Tini da move up. We coach Boni coach, Papa. One top them wow. You know coach the coach you. Who come we walk one top. And is that way? Walk over one top. Ah, we do. What's the come back? What's the come back? What's the come back? What's the one top? What's the one top? And yet, what does it? What about the first of ball I am. That's asset man center. There's no chance about the problem. Go back and start now. Two players attacking. Want to be able to ball back. What does it? Who goes the guy for the neighbor? What's for you can start nothing. Akuffo, he's a small boy. Oh, free Aruas about now some ball. Otimbo, because about the senior, I don't bring my change. Oman Kran come to look at it. Bonnet to Mokra. Yempesa, I can't football. 4 matches. What's a one goal? Take a friendly match and what's a better to goose. Friendly match, go a better to goose. German Yempesa, yes, one top on the last minute. So, example, I want to put them out. My money just said, put my house of Potters. I go put my according to Amanfo.
At the OTA, coach no Edibet 2 just say. Ono Kasana Ramos wa net no onye striker. Supporters na so for my monitors of folk omo matches no omo dey abetu dwa say yes. Kasana Ramos wa let and draw omo game against Dreams FC. Osha Abrante ball no boy na. It's just simple. Abrante ne deni Abdo eye era Okopiem Abdo Jalio. Dreams FC captain center back no. Abrante no on Richard Mensah. Their performance was very superb. And which these two players, omo defenders, or match this striker. Only America to all pace Obibia in a game. As a coach, sorry to say, we coach teams outdoor, our manane Europe's outdoor, not so good striker, when no pacer, then also yeah. Also, Odi striker, Bakobe joining on. See, also in card striker Bakobe joining on, but they be in the game against out to you. Kasina Ramos Wanet was the player, no book game the man a house of folk or unifimo. Against Bo Quantity, added a year in Shratama wa Cross Sports Stadium. Yes, Kasana Ramos Wanet, any ya go need more. See a coach no say, winning you against a year Tanobo Fakwa, Danwa Dawo, a yes, Yane. Kasana Ramos Wanet was the player no year maninia, but he ain't supplying a ball. And across Sports Stadium, the boy was so superb. But Dreams FC one center back, Richard Mensah was that player. Now we seen a game no in the coach Babon Tibekasa Simuya. T Abza me fancy. Coaches outdoor no Kroma yani epe ye teams outdoor na wo Kroma ye ni gidie e wo local coaches no mu Kabroni mbeka se Kasina Ramos Wanet e wo kotoko nawa ka kotoko ti abuzia produce betwa ho ana ye twa ho bra okay ti me twa ho bra ye ba pe jumedia kanom e betu asama ye live on Okoman Radio 97.1.
Usika seme nkoyiana quick credit siasia say sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yam bosia bonhye ye ho mutumi bobosia wo yasia ye if you 1000 Ghana cedis edeko na ne wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia sa wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia say wo ne ye bebue futuo bia quick credit wo homa o say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma foforo ase ana say ye school fees ana bo yeye bosumi ejuma ye phone so ye wo bi mamo nebon kai say ye mobosia e wo internet so afen so on manti Akrobia Batan Bank of Ghana and sa wo jumedie yimu enti tutumri kana freying was 0302 200 390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credit lending made simple kai say jumedie yin hihye kakra wo
Hi, now let me share my wildlife experience with you at Safari Valley Eco Park. On our arrival, we were greeted by experienced tour guides who took us through an orientation on how best to enjoy the experience. We were surrounded by wildlife from the moment we entered the eco park. We saw zebras, sable antelopes, crown cranes, maras, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponies, and so many animals. We watched the animals roam freely in their natural habitat, undisturbed by our presence. Our tour guide told us so much about the wildlife, their behavior, and how to interact with them. I even fed them. We also went fishing. Then we took a break to have lunch in the beauty of the open space. All of this fun and activities for a starting price of 250 cedis, and it's free for children below 6 years. As the sun began to set, it was time to go back home, but not before our sunset dinner by the campfire. We've had a thrill of a lifetime, and I can't wait to visit again. Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Tontonte. Yenum nsane efadwen. Ne efadwen mpa. Say na num say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye adru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dudo so. Say de na dudo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no. Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so yaye no se nsuo krokrowa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu etu phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor.
It's Bell Ice. We feel it burn. We feel it burn. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We feel it.
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice, ewo PET plastic bottle mono, ewo 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, ewo can mono, and also 18% alcohol. Nomnyansem, wonton manipa, only in fear to watch it, and sesa apem for num. FDA, ajidwedien kratoi atum. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
All right, yes, some of you are covered. Hand me so live on Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Global Sports. And yes, Sinkunya. So, yes, yes, Dama Biano. You bet me a bia kama. Near the bia kwakugu. Nyamiadman about 4 p.m. Our Accra Sports Stadium. Accra Lions, Trafie, and a Krobia, Kumase, Asanterako. Area rentam. So, Makaja say, and Kabo season every nede sunya. And Kakotoko relegation. But here more ye. If you answer near almost Bababo, 1 more match day 4. And now 1 more room, young Kwamana so near the protocol officer, Erma Krobia Kumase as Santurako, Mr. Dada Kubia Santi Endi Komo, Pobiama Kwaba, and from Okoman Radio 97.1, our Eastern region.
So, me also not to say,
Bobby Patrick, I'm out of Patrick also here.
About the other Roma, Yamidi and Quache.
Yeah, the radio say, where your money to? When you said time in your Yamiadman, Kotoko.
Your call has been put on hold.
Darby. You better try say and submit me as a hello, Bobby, but what's the maker?
Now,
me messing am to man there. Mobo against a year Accra Lions, Ewa Accra Sports Stadium. Krobia Kumasi Sandrako. Preparation to saying.
No, so. Mama na wati na minchia wachi for ene anope. Engangane kotoko supporters ya meet you. Emse ushe ene matcha. Kumasi asante kotoko ene Accra Lions ebeba. Empeifo ayene ye one national. any greater Accra has you find a match and a match. The reason is also about that 3 matches you start the league protocol. Abunino Omuboni now Ashanti region. It was 2 draw and 1 win. And a hard game. I don't know.
One lose, rather.
One lose, 2 draw. It's a hard game. It's a ama yani o greater Accra so. Yes, I said never again. Because so over sure that I can ese kotoko ebeji league ya. This is when you have more points from greater Accra. And it's me busu molano. Am I it me edge league, you know. It's Yamia Duma Kotoko ever won the first match. Greater Accra and you say league, you know. Say league in the Erika about 3 matches that but the first match over born Greater Accra and then Monday. A year Accra Lions in Mazas and Kotoko. Yamia Duma not in the bedroom, you know. Greater Accra for Yajitum Eko presenting so any drinks Accra the my team no. Am I any team no so din komo. I'm sure say a quite biasro. The way a Greater Accra for so I receive home. Na Sabio Yasa Ede Ade Fefe Ade Abreu no. Omungui and Masi. Yes, we have promised you so say what we need is the win. So Muma win now. Yes, we have a so ade bi omu peso di ama omu. And yes, we did say a win for Kumasi and Kotoko and their supporters today.
Ekroma, you got 2 clubs one more Jomina, Kotoko, any house of folk. And right, may you sure say, one the house of folk, game ni be, board draw. And Kotoko, baby bomb game in there. Pressure be any team in the society because house about draw. And the bear denya supporters no air resistance ne Kotoko Eberini.
Oh, I know there. Said the work and sign it here because we have Kotoko ne house here. Sometimes young people talk say the other Kotoko then to house, the other house then to Kotoko. But they are 2 different because we have a house when you need 3 seasons. Our mobile every Sunday match, no match 46 goals. Or a year will be my actual so. No more than say a year pitch so near the bubble, no more so. No more year preseason, no more goals in the year. Nay, with Oman as a coach, every year. Last man, 1 or 2 years, Oman, dear. Omopa no moje fa utia a wait minute meje fa woni party na ejo record no mu fi so betim dia kwa bonten babu kwa se agbofra no kwa mpa paso na wonyina wanya na entro so edu omu de omu problem ni omu problem but ya ne Kotoko de ende before I start the season you know ya my supporters say now we are going to build a new team so as for win there we need the win. But whatever comes, you know, we need to accept it. And the supporters, most of us, and I don't think it's a big deal for us that you have both by Zona and then Oma win. Edikai. Na yetimi emusi emorano. Na fi ehunu se ampa. But the associate team that could draw. After they are swaba. I'm going to be swaba. The reason they name of the American. They are 2 hearts and not even to Kotoko there.
Wait, Mesra, you want some pictures being nam about opinion and as a Bronson and Chief Justice Blake, our journey team. And team Baidoo can Justice Blake call me.
Yes, only team in Narabai.
I sure said maybe no bet me Abobi.
Only depend on the coach.
Okay.
But I hope so much.
Patrol Final West, na enjoy assassin himself, brain you.
Oh, the American Kotoko supporters. I work Ghana happy. And can one more is region. I mean, if you go with studio or no program, and any old data can you know, young come they make it sure and never to come a first win. So say in Yamburani, we are sort of very fair to other matches. It's the air council be able to go to get more Mompire. Now, if I'm Mompire, if I'm 30 minutes, you win.
Nana Kodja Santiana Pieda says Sony Okoman Radio 97.1 at Twumhene.
All right,
is it The protocol officer, Erma Krobia Kumase Asante Korko, Mr. Kuja Santinande, Oren Kumakra, Eddie Jai, ahead of Kodokomu game and Wamo ene eye Accra Lions, Eddie Arian Tamso, Accra Sports Studio. Game no, 4 p.m. Game no, 4 p.m. Senior, Memo Akwaba.
Yeah.
Na Pumoko.
Nyame adom, ade akọ weekend sinaba. Weekend sinaya tough, but yetima film.
Oh, why fresh? Oh, it's for joining live for Facebook. Senior youth, why fresh? Wow. I have Fenaba. Oh, that senior on duty. The radio say. Time ne call. Touch on the English Premier League over the weekend. 1 or 2 matches we had to do. Down of fear, down to 2 years old. Arsenal advantage. Say, I'll meet me Man City and Ra. One share Man City by long go to 0. I am touch a cranium being come away here.
Right, I bet you at your winner.
How much also?
Nah, I don't want to say. Right, I will say, measure a English Premier League, but
okay.
I mean, chip on call a Spain Brest here.
Okay, Neko Spain Bra.
Oshe Real Madrid, Oshe Jumadia Woody or the Spain La Liga now, ultimately say, a because Oshe Yabo League, you know. Need me say that one top man Karim Benzema Oniwo and now you can be as an uncle Gobinya PG top man Killer might be but 1 centimeter and uncle. So when you all about tournament no be I can say Oloko as a whole Remadin all a Liga only top striker until now we're finding very difficult but we share a coach coach what team make sure say what team my boys in aji won where the ball about share no but because accidentally now what remember Jude Bellingham cause we share adwuma boy ni na right ya ball 8 matches 9 matches we say 8 goals e Premier League e league ni monkoya it means every match we will be no share 1 goal every match we will share 1 goal it means your midfielder on your striker. Now, ultimate sa a goals na ultimate say idea extra ni pa o shendra utimbo 2 goals that ultimate say oyade ama wo mu say Karim Benzema ni wade but match supporters and em more because they know say match ni mu ya den kura at the long last and you be hu Jude Bellingham awiden or the go e dey betu atenam so make say for now no coach Ancelotti wa ya de Real Madrid say wetin make sure say wama nia wo hia na goals na wo hia na points na wo hia no for now one then will attack na will ni Premier League no you go key na one na say the LED in the go key no the next person or so e bi no or 5 goals no say Real Madrid na Josil or no say Real Madrid and say na Lewandowski then Aba or no say 5 goals which means Real Madrid then adwuma no apart from say Jude Bellingham say no one who na so make sure say then obese go because say kudos say Real Madrid say yegusu then ye call international break na where then will lead this type of points are any goals bibia where then will lead me everyone say wo share goals na one na but ye call assister woni mu bi nti that means Jude Bellingham and the one where they work for say then age born then early born because it means why ya the back kudos to them
Jude Bellingham 8 matches out of 9 8 goals 2 assists
goals na America no it means oye adwuma pa because near me say all Dortmund no na oye adwuma alright but no it means say go kind of goals more goals like this say every match be in a ratio no every match be or say 1 goal all Dortmund no yes hard no but no obobo no right you but we say in Real Madrid no coach na say the talisman free rule obobe bia so ebuyama defenders ni entimi dey holding on we say number 9 typical number 9 and number 9 dey be go beji na box room atwen ball and this na ma onya kwa mbobo na but o hwe ne ball no bo na obo free rule nti oba bedu achikura and say fa ball dey akọ it o imagine say number 9 and say central defenders ni entimi dey holding on to any baba won so no wa fa won dey na wa hye ko ball ni fie chiba no ball no wa dey hye nti beka say kudos ya Real Madrid and say Jude Bellingham say utimi den sa niam na kase me say as time goes on no obemiem na den akonanim memra ya English Premier League wo hwe for from 2017 up to now see ya kase Liga league a boy Premier League a bono. A City any Arsenal from 2017 Arsenal share a City no up to now. A league in mono. A fina waiting at the Arsenal the second time. A league mo. But Oshe Arsenal Mika Atata be so team no. Why here Juma Bibli? Why here Juma Papa last season a cadet Nanka when we did league no. Now last season you say the league was for Arsenal. But in the last 5 matches, you know, and the Nyama Anko Yama City, the Betron League, you know. It's about the next this season, and I'm sure one started when we won last year. It means I did not watch us last year, but see what we this year. And to share match in Obana, a idea with the name who say, Bibia a favor because Oshe Pep Guardiola or yeah, you're right, but Oshe started Liga of one very because just this season, Penny started Liga with the first 5 matches we need. There are 5 matches in na the ball league na be 10 my ball first 10 maybe and send why then wa pick here then all over last in the same thing that happened but we should this is just starting match na what picking what the you know now me say the way Arsenal I focus ball no bonus so person oje bibi no just na e be ding ama ye Mikel Arteta Pep Guardiola so waiting obey because of you should injuries in the idea Pep last year. Let me say Arsenal to share 1 goal near Bema with me hold that 1 goal now the area then ye which means say the tech discipline Arsenal say ya share goal there yen she bin count the MOB and saying so what you say unya wo players are what me just say adwuma ma e wo mfimfini na was an adwuma wo achi ma say yen timi share more goals but ye share one ye make sure say ma yente ye timi hold sa board near the pon it means say in the tactical world, you know, and as a tactical football, no, that team is solid in the defense and the midfield. We'll make sure say, oh my, they won't challenge. Because kudos say Arsenal say, what you mean then? Every match in Ama for now, no, Oshe top league now or got 20 points or you behind Tottenham. Because writer, I'm say you're doing in early fee Tottenham so, but Oshe baller this is Tottenham bonnet. Kudos with the coach.
So for normally there,
English 20 points.
20 points.
Yeah.
Arsenal 20, Man City 18. Liverpool 17.
Yeah. Oshe Tottenham. Yesterday league, you know, new coach. Oba ni me say at least. Oba yard the but ni me ye sa close ya why because Oshe ball at Tottenham bona in the midfield. Song no money idea why you win 15 na Oshe defender midfielders are odun abegina defensive midfield odun abegina ni mo wa. It means a protected goalkeepers and more and as the defenders no more ma why you adwuma na dey e won finfin nti mega say Tottenham le ya adwuma was here dey kono because o share matches wo bo now no ya bo 8 matches sa 8 matches no go 20 points it means Tottenham early year adwuma kase pa nti no because kudos ya Tottenham na mabaye Chelsea o share Chelsea yesterday league name aye ding ama Chelsea for na yabo 5 matches na be ya da na ultimu say nya de den ehwe but for last 3 matches we were making sure say obey den obe na out ye kwahye Brighton 1-0 FA Cup ma de Moran buy ye move to Fulham ultimu kwahye Fulham away den 2-0 na it means say boys ya ya de ni nim say going to Burnley idea was a Chelsea any brace obetime win the next game is how much na atima dey move won vim out there because the next league we born with international break bape one Arsenal na ebo so we hear this points now there ultimately catch up na o sha dey so you know why from 2017 na enya dey belly atima dey as Chelsea 2017 na belly she Arsenal 3-2 from that sense and anytime be a Chelsea belly be she na ya Chelsea dey ehye won nti no me say okwan bia so no league no na Chelsea so here points there one na say wo bo be nti me nyam wa say wotimi dey ekwahye 4-1 in belly nti share first goal wotimi say na doubt any ade then vim ni ade ina eba from Chelsea supporters but Chelsea funu say no or say wakali ya bana so basoro na wotimi kale dey nti em thank you for the boys and say wotimi yes adwuma ni nti make say why are they for the season.
All right, so senior on duty and I would say what day a year man and come Accra and if you're at your bar Oko Facebooker Nana Kofi a free year or see heat yes more fire super watching you live in my bed and super so no Nana Kofi a free year Adam Pim and all monitor show from afar. Ara Kwesi Mayor or the bar I say greetings to you all. I'm doing that listening and also watching live from Akosomodi Bragwezi Zebi be fine. Oh, hormonti message no OPM of Facebook. Amanfo Ediego Ediaba. Salso and away so Ediaba. Or see a friend and Kwame. Or see or monitor show no from a Asama. And to submit me at the message, Baby Ediaba. Hello, good morning. My name is Steven. Keep up the good work. More fire to the team. And the way so Ediaba. Yeah, Baba Sheloka. And come out crab. If he ever bought Eba. On him say, Okopiema. Opinion thing at Martin Koopman. Since I'll take you over. As a year, House of Folk, the head coach, near preseason matches. And only House of Folk 4, Dolphin FC 0, House of Folk 6, Atom Divisa 1, House of Folk 11, Miracle Land FC 1, House of Folk 4, Lazio Sports Academy 1, House of Folk 2, Evergreen FC 1, House of Folk 0, Okoye United 0, House of Folk 2, Okoye United 0, House of Folk 1, Susubribri FC 0, House of Folk 3, Vision FC 1. In all, 33 goals, 5 goals conceded. In two House of Folk, their preseason matches, made a very fantastic job by scoring a lot of goals. Player friend Kashina Ramos Wanet in your goals be Erbamo. Now, Coach Nababonte say Kashina Ramos Wanet no. Coach Bia. Senior over the weekend, the Ghana Premier League. Minimum be a best start TFE. We are now the Kotokon match against Lions no Eddie Redia Mame.
Raja, you best say here at TFE na Eddie Bia. Na ene be there who be said we say settle. Okay. Na ye need because as a Kotoko fan na o share opponent league ni ebo na Kotoko na has pen ebo. Nje oh yeah. Nje o show ye ni patu na so baako enkwa nwa we ni patu aye won say enkoto ayegu ayebum aye robe mu we say kwa na nyonko atwe no de wabatu fo gbem na sa because o hwe preseason na see the preseason pananka aye ebo Premier League ni anka beka say Accra Sufoku ye champion because o hwe preseason na ball aye Accra Sufoku boy in the preseason na in the preseason you hwe ball Accra Sufoku boy in the preseason na afede ye hu yes league nankasa no na ye hu the outcome of a league no Accra Sufoku boy na eya wonko because o hwe ndra ball Dreams FC boy na went me the entimanya go na o hwe ball ask football ya na me ye mwa because in the preseason you know say coach Utman about two topper and ebo out of Fukama out of then winning matches or day in day out o hwe matches or boy ya na ade ya nka swani every match be a has and shekra enye 4 and 3 but you should be league na ebo na ya about 4 matches 4 matches na has abo no we winning one pe and wabo draw 2 or lose back it means say ball no near expect everyone yan ye hu cause you say the way anka Rasmus mo asore gina wona nso ya wole ball no she goes day in day out no every anka ye bo league na anka sa no be no but enje sa utie coach asema order to go say as a striker one top striker o say oni ball bo
just so you onye good sir
na coach na anka say wasa
ye bisa ne say adena oyi Kashina Ramos Wanet efimo no bisa say o hwa branch na ball no boy na ye
I say wasa
no you are part say
but o hwe goals as in say no no wasa goals in
yes
and the striker na wasan onu aso na ogu a ohia say ogina ball ni mu na goal bi e be pie bi e mu no hwe
this season omo winner just a goal
ono hwe yes so you tell them say wasa na pa say it means say who value what that is here because we share boy no na ohia another striker na say another number 10 bi a obebua na ewe ani wo obo support no because oyebo adwuma ni nyina ba wi a oyo bia for ball ne ma no so onya obi support na kabile say ba me hu na di a any time bia no so obeyi oye changes the first change bi oye so ye Erasmus the first change bi oye bia yo no minimum na ndi because onu hu ni say wasa Jojina Park and Junior Engineer Park. But we should coach and Catanzi. I mean, we say wasa. Yes, started league. We said that started. We said that actually, what you say. Me who team Ghana and yes, Animano. Team no any coach. but your assistant coach, your technical director, one there to players, one there to one there you be with him and send a coach naba. So what I say, can we just say coach Coachman one can be anka we on go Rasmus go on sign. Go because he was sent to go on sign. But Osha Ajuma when year in a prisoner. Said na ye kano. Osha prisoner na say kotoko man ball obo yin na obo wa so tell so. Same the Akuffo dia oba one nation sesi. Ebe ball ha wetimi say nation sesi.
Nation so ball pobi mai.
This is girls and ball pobi mai. So it means ball obo yin na bibi preparation away na where wa so tell so. Ayo say ye kwa obo wa aboso. Ewa Ghana ha ye park ye bobo yin na wo hwehwe ya wona hu yin na woro. Won say obi a shegu am wa to no wada.
But when say pobi mai no omo 3 way
grass and kasa wo I say wo aso tell no wo I say wo na be say but one board wo na no wo aso tell no so.
But normally they train on the grass no.
Now wo train on grass na go bo.
Oh, they normally play their matches on grass no so but it seems like Amanfo complain say AstroTurf no and a draw so baby but we don't know, maybe it depends on coach no how
me when say Raja me when say coach ni ka ho.
Okay.
Because on value that is one. If your boys na ball preseason na league your ball no they want to bench.
Only now up to now only starting 11.
There be your change him.
Okay.
This ni ball ball na say kotoko pepe. Oh yeah. Tanku ya prosper by. First ko check match we obi assistant first 11. Me for this in obi a city. And obobo we and obobo wusu. Oba oba change oba mu kwala just say that be change me for this in. O yes I will nya team na person will nya.
Okay.
And be na kwaso wa to fokin because players in the wo wo doso. We you na you good. But how a coach ni ba hye won ani asem. Because we team nkyerem say o tires man na o hye goals mo na ga jenzi wa asa. Enti match bia no e wo say o yini football no. Match bia change bia no but okay I don't know. Ufo bi enka ne ho na ho hwe say sem obi ka ne ho ya obetima ede na be si ana. Who say na supporters ne buefu pa because I was about two top. The one top no won
M1.
Supporters ne tie ni kura mu say one top na M1. So I don't think that two top. But who mo say amba abonti be say be catch o strike and say wasa. I wasn't ka o se ni kura mo no mo say be catch say wasa. Who say mbu na bam. So bizan say now no player and coach ni won tell me e kon den.
Congolese no not French we no TV no oka only play uzila the kwa
na why say is the one point one tell me because who coach we the makwa we the makwa si abonten akwa super me say maasa so me mo body yem na so je wudi yana so say akom ni ani bi won kan say o ma abonten me kan play say has ni striker na striker no won wasa le bu adwuma ne den de adwuma pa de nti wodo bai what do you say? Make sure say players ni be better players into what do buy.
Senior OTA and rap post match already two jar. It seems like Obe started season one striker and then need done so Isakuka.
Yeah.
But now Isakuka Echo North Macedonia and the assistance now you need strike omni striker be one and tika Isakuka nan can need done so.
Isakuka and we vamos president yana say goes more. Everyone was na say goals ni na. So I don't think say mo twen Isakuka say no be your toss o better fine oni say oni wo. He say oni wo. And who toss man or no pen say o shedin kuna. No say we encouraging no kwaso ye den o bua no kwa nanim. Now think ba bonting out. Like I say wasa. Na we coach na say what you man saying.
Okay, Zuba.
Okay. But you make it things clear.
Okay.
Coach Cooper statement. I think it's our voice.
Yeah, voice.
He never said say Kashala Ramos asa. He never said Wankasa. As some kind said, "Enra game no, not in modern monk kind." Obisa journalist no say, "Do you think he's good?" Because journalist question Obisa and say, "Didn't know ye Ramos the film."
Yeah.
On Obisa, do you think he's good? Meaning that game no na game na wo bono. Do you think say abandon modern monk kind na?
But super me twa no. O hwe omo match so ma bo a da na me no ka say adena onipa no onja no game na onya play your babe support na because their first game o yini second game o she go yini film third game o yini film so which means say their last game and draw yini film no How much is somebody a brand and said that man
yeah, enough time.
Yes.
So by one time you'll be at criticizing Cooper and the substitutions.
Yes.
Especially on a brand friend Kasala Ramos. I feel say a brand obi canon up front and can the money mobile conquer. You bought 4 matches. Or Premier League. First game, you bought I think 60 minutes and you in the film. The second game, I share go. About this time and I know you in the last the third game of boy and so no and also in if you and very early around the 50th
and almost call dressing by and I know you in the film. So Makasi say be a coach na bono one top I won't say okay I'm expecting so their partnership ever maybe I say a brand here friend Aziz Hamza Isa another partner with Kashala. For me, about footwork, Kashala is very good. Onya Obesho, or very good positioning, very excellent. On him dribbles, take you on defenders. But the ball on him man aside. And any idea. So you get somebody, maybe a Kashala and be a human in the Amano, no back one she. And as will be on to be a human in Adama Kashala, don't know say. Try and play 2 people up front. Start 2 players. I think so with being junior and a Kashala, Ebefa. But super on try on me.
No, boy, Linda, we when you were back.
And boy, Linda midfielder.
Linda, midfielder. I'm saying, say, Albert Yonde, yes. Our bench. Obin Junior, our bench. Isa.
Hamza
Isa, our bench. These are 3 strikers on more bench and 3 forwards on more bench. Plus Kashala Ramos. What about Kashala Ramos? One top was for 4 matches and be if you know another player we even had another player and I'm saying sir, why don't you bring in another player? Faneka aye Kashala Ramos start your mo 2 top 4-4-2 typical 4-4-2 but be 2 matches now you're in charge here say I'm far. Then you vary your tactics and your selection again. But not say about Kashala one top now you expect on Kwanye you man fan now you film. That's how you kill the confidence of the player. So I say coach the next game you say 2 top almost 2 top non try and about for senior to come and sit here and say coach say Kashala Asano. It's not true. You never say Kashala Asano. But you're saying say the performance on that day, morning one if you have the voice here, you can play now. Be at it. You never said Kashala Ramos. Asa. But just say morning and I con kind to you if you.
Okay. Maybe 0551 667755 0551 667755. Also bet me afraid now. All the way drink chair at the Aba ewo a year Jumedian so 0551 667755 and I say 0270 191 971. 0270-191-971 and I say 020-5818-748 020-5818-748 0551-667755 senior
yo I say na make no right I say okay say we say who striker na say we need striker na striker to Jina Park so ya na then na abese o kire because utie and ask me no kind na then as they say do you have striker I know we say what thing say but me who say me maximum me can say striker
no super no me nyawa chinye wo so one can say only striker but for you statement I'm making no statement I'm making is a assist striker
what's
striker nasa you were saying that the striker was bad. That's all you need film.
Right. Me to me, me catch me say, "We need strike. Yeah, bobo now na manage na park so." Now catch me say, "We say I know you na manage na other one we say you need na manage ya." That about you.
You need na manage on so no manage.
So for matches na ball. For matches na ball. Who na manage?
But one player no manage.
What's your idea?
But one player no manage.
Oh, has me na manage.
Set up na one.
Na manage.
Me be start question. But other boy.
What?
Kojo being junior enya no manage. We know Kojo being junior. With a year than free year ban here. A partnership,
yes.
And I'm tell you say
that's who na manage. Partner
Kashala. You na manage Kashala is your
Fanny say where you Kashala if when you replacement when you be am replacing as no manage or no manage.
That be only striker.
Until I see I can hear.
And the rather you go the whole tournament. Yeah, what would just one striker now?
Chelsea number 9 here. If it's Chelsea England or number 9 here.
Jackson. Oh, Jackson or Bruja.
Jackson or number 9. I am complain on
for now, I know one number 9 because one of
I said over that position doesn't mean say.
Understand you,
Olivier Giroud actually weekend that post ma AC Milan. It means all goalkeeper.
Meti was you. You wouldn't ya where say. Yeah, what typical number 9 or any will be able to force number 9 or
two by my Akropong in Brana on Baidoo.
That time on say
yeah, do right. There's a Kotokone, Accra Lions.
Bisa Kotoko say what Kotoko. Kotoko so give Kotoko or give 4 p.m. What you have okay, has there our ball. 3 matches in Kotoko 2 points.
Raja.
Sina and can one say.
Zubank ya ball league ni win their com relegation.
Ya ball yes the ball league ni.
And who game only Accra Lions 4 p.m. You start as one can.
Yeah, one guy also ni na, and you can na.
Zuba also Pancroft no we are number.
Oh, team was on Kako Super.
Raja. Ask for the sao.
Send the time also.
Medic can catch you.
How many to near?
My can catch you say has in Kotoko yepe.
Okay.
What did I where I got to
win?
Oh, and it. Oh, and
I don't lose 1-0. Charts and I don't win. Oh, no, Charts.
Oh, what
It's a chart now too. I almost lose 1-0. Oh, yeah, going.
Raja.
To me, I will go.
Music I got you say Kotoko where I got.
Okay.
What has if our drone automatically has been your say Kotoko Belusu.
And crank what your ball.
And yeah, now I got to walk. And yeah,
chart and out and they make out your chart.
Oh, you may be or chat to and get to one.
Chart out to a corner anyway.
I wouldn't watch chat.
I don't know if I say I do you now to know what
into the right I'm just say and then the say supporters back park.
Okay.
Anti Kotoko Fubeba. I catch folks supporters and say
you see, I have face mama now.
And you know, just say about 4 o'clock and I say about 6 and I say they're going out, baby. And just say, Kotoko, players.
Oh, my facola when come but the idea. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Abu.
Pastor, I'm at the pastor didn't be off free boss.
She make a team of Royal Junction.
Oh, boss, Pastor, and Queen him.
Oh, and Ramit, you know, you're superb. The boy, Bass, Akropong Shira.
Amen, amen.
And there is a Kotoko good luck. I said, Kotoko to me can tell when I what me go. Now, maybe say, Nanasi, also chat not to chat next man 2 or half a mereso, and Rawa and 2 more. Nay, that's 2 more, ever 2 mile.
Okay.
One much chat, there been 2 more. Not more than 2 mile. And maybe we not a hard thing in eyes with the Akropong Shira.
That's what you.
Yeah, the basic, we say, and then Kotoko, where's no, a Bekenya won't. All right. Now, why in Century? All right. And I be say, a ball league, you born a match, maybe not Kotoko, but I don't want who were for about wedding.
All right. And the senior, and our Oten and Kano, my for Quenya, so, and we say, Madame Cynthia Amuzu, a happy birthday. Yes, Cynthia Amuzu, a happy birthday. Way, if you DJ OJ, I see him for Quenya, so. And we show a happy birthday. Trading up on Yankopo to Muzwa. Obo Sonia Sasia say, yes, Odin Fiebacon, and the account Fiono, a Radema, near the Wakuma Subiano, on Yama, Nabi Biasono, into me and Yakama, or Chema, or yet and Kong, and to Madame Cynthia Amuzu. Happy birthday. And call and Famanti, and then come out cry, and Weber, hey. Hey, baby. Vive, DJ, what are vive, di, what are the ayana, no? Aye, the ayana, di, Miss Obesa Messiah, and I joined the metro as you answer a Messiah be won. Nana, if I'm to ask you, now I'm in yes, idea, and ye young commodity, and ye yes, I say, Messiah, I went to okay, and I don't know come out crab with ya a war yeah dear my for my middle team now say yes K Brown producer papa no pia mia bibia ama bia so no tumi kama culture say K Brown obedjuma but kekele no and I see yes something which is there but all the same no obedjuma whenever that Yes, Ukopimo IT and the weather Pia Biego so pictures now Dunia Piana Yeya VJ Zigibi Esoboa come and also Ukopima Donzi Mark and Bella and also Esther and then another Damia Womnia Buakama Biasono Etumia Kama Mamenfa Kunya Swensin enda Manako Fio Korea Jamai Akopunshaw na onyo kese saso na Mr Gideon uye bruda saso ena kese ne ba enko enfama the general manager Mr Kwekubuaten boza na benya Akopunshaw na onyo kese ahofi bien ababet na se kama inyo na no fan kakra banyame adom se na ho aton na pa me catch there obokoko 3 cd you no nya pa no 4 cd store do ti se 7 cd na no time ya yes nyame adom na ho ye pop I start so then urban ehwe tina wa ye na wa chichi tin kama and de eye bien enime guso ti I'm just describing them. You can go to Facebook, you can watch them. They have made such a Adami Akwaba.
Yeah,
so ho ye
nyame adom yara
e radiase Esther Akwaba. How was your weekend?
On point.
On point? What make your weekend so on point?
Echirasem.
Edi I was maybe do me